These are all the great-grandchildren.
This is recording audio also?
Yeah.
This is the video of the documentary of the making of the Christmas portrait.
Exactly.
Take a picture.
Right now it's controlled chaos. We're at maximum capacity. The couch is not going to hold much longer.
Switching to camera.
We have at least 3 babies crying.
My son is confused.
At least 2 or 3 babies confused. It's my favorite song. I think during the process of trying to get this picture taken, some babies were actually born. So we're gonna have